Hey retro gaming fans! Heretic and Hexen, the classic 90s fantasy FPS games, just got a killer re-release on PS4 and PS5 with new episodes and multiplayer. Ready to dive into Cronos? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's roll into this dark fantasy revival. Heretic Hexen dropped on modern consoles, bringing Raven Software's iconic 90s FPS titles to a new generation. With new content, a fresh soundtrack, and online multiplayer, is this the ultimate nostalgic blast? Keep watching. Heretic and Hexen, built on a modified Doom engine, mixed fast-paced shooting with dark fantasy, magic, and RPG elements like character classes. Released in the 90s by Raven Software, they pushed FPS boundaries with inventory systems and vertical aiming, earning a cult following. Now they're back on PS4 and PS5, ready to enchant new and returning players. This re-release, crafted with ID Software and Night Dive Studios, adds split-screen, co-op, cross-platform online multiplayer, and accessibility upgrades. Enjoy a new soundtrack, Tome of Power by Andrew Hochschild, plus brand new episodes, Faith Renewed for Heretic and Vestiges of Grandeur for Hexen, offering fresh adventures for fans. Brian Raffel of Raven Software and Mike Rubitz of ID Software call this re-release a surreal milestone, celebrating Heretic and Hexen's innovative blend of shooter and RPG vibes. With new content and modern features, it's a love letter to fans and a gateway for newcomers to explore Cronos' dark world. This spark a retro FPS revival. Heretic Hexen is out now on PS4 and PS5. Dive into the fantasy chaos solo or with friends. Are you a longtime fan or new to these classics? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the Heretic Hexen re-release. Are you hyped to battle in Cronos or loving the new multiplayer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.